Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that has a curlew-like bill. The curlew sandpiper. The curlew sandpiper is a small wader. Slightly down-curved bill, slightly larger than dunlin, with longer and finer bill, longer legs. It breeds on tundra of Arctic Siberia. It is strongly migratory, wintering mainly in Africa, but also in South and Southeast Asia, and in Australia and New Zealand. Breeding plumage deep rusty on the head and body, like red knot. Non-breeding birds are greyish-brown above with white eyebrows and belly. Mainly in coastal wetland habitats, often with flocks of dunlin. Their calls are like locally named Kalika, Hinna. I have not seen the curlew sandpiper. You are likely to see them in the eastern coast than the western coast. As you know, Maldives is famous for white sandy beaches, whereas in Sri Lanka, most beaches are gold color. However, in the eastern side, you do find white sandy beaches. One such place is Nila Valley and Trincomalee. I have not visited Nila Valley beach, however I have visited Trincomalee.